Hi guys, good morning. So today is the day of autopsy. First day we are going for autopsy, and yeah, we are going to Dhaka Medical College to see autopsy. We will be going for 3 consecutive days. So yeah, I'll just show you guys what's going to happen. Why did you come back? Phone? And yeah, so let's go. Before leaving, we are having breakfast in the bus in our college itself. Everyone is in their respective seats eating, and this is Hasib, who is distributing tissue papers as he is the monitor. Hasib, hi. We arrived in Dhaka Medical College and now we are standing in line so that we can get in. We all are excited and let's see what's inside. So as soon as we enter the main building, that's what it looks like. We're just looking here and there, and we found some Kashmiri seniors who wanted to talk to their Kashmiri juniors from our college, and then we were taken to this room where we took pictures, selfies and whatnot, and as usual I was making videos.
जरीना कितना पढ़ेगा रे सब आता है कितना पढ़ेगी तू कुछ नहीं पूछेगा व्हाट इज ऑटोप्सी मैंने बोला था इसको सब आता है बोल
Again another selfie and I'm sure I wasn't in that selfie because we were at the back, so nobody cared.
क्या है बेटा कितना पढ़ेगा यार क्लास में भी पढ़ता है घूमने आया है तब भी पढ़ रहा है कितना पढ़ता है
मैं दिखाता हूँ लेकिन पढ़ नहीं रहा
ओ दिखाता है किसको दिखाता है बोल रहे भाभी को कौन है के चाहिँ विवेक बोला नि यार तिमी कस्तो हैन
अब हेरम के हुन्छ एकछिन यहाँ बसालेर त सरहरूले हिन्दी छन् आफ्नो मौज मस्ती गरिरहेछन् यहाँ चिसोमा झन् एसी चलाइदिएछन् कति गाह्रो भइरहेछ के भन्ने होला
तिमी त गीत गाएर बोल्दै क्या
भन्ने होला के सरहरूलाई कसम तिमीलाई यी कोठामा राख्छु Oh my god!
From here we actually went to see Autopsy, which I of course can't make video of, and after finishing off everything we went to this room where I saw Todd for many years and took selfies with him, and it was like a moment where he shared his experience and it was really fun, and we were just pointing out which side is better to take selfies. That day we ate lunch and then we returned, so now this is the beginning of another day where yeah, everyone is in the dancing mood, whereas I got common cold, so yeah, I am full with clothes and I am not looking my best for sure. Hey, learn our moves, it's amazing. Trust me, our batch is the funnest batch you would ever find. Like, everyone dances, everyone wants to have fun, everyone is so energetic, and I love all of them for this attitude of theirs where everybody just wants to have fun. And yeah, we had really great fun. Can you imagine dancing so much early in the morning? Taken to a memorial ground, I guess, and there were a lot of kids who were begging us for ice cream, so we bought them ice creams. We bought like 2-3 kids ice cream, and then after that so many kids started coming, so she was one of the one who came late.
खाइसो भालो मजा अच्छा थैंक यू बोलो थैंक यू बोलते हो ना हाँ ओके बाय ओके बाय 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 थैंक यू सो मेरा सकले देखाओ কি এটা কি আচ্ছা খাবো না
हेलो पूजा
हेलो हाय यूट्यूबर
सुनाई नहीं दे भाई दम है तो सुना बोल भाई दम है तो सुना बोल
বেশি বেশি মারামারি করো আমি ট্রেলার দিব
We went for autopsy again and we saw some autopsy. And then we were taken for a grand lunch by our respective teachers. Everyone was invited. And then, yes, we ate. It was average. It wasn't the best food I'd had in Bangladesh. But yeah. And Zarina is angry because she didn't get beef.
Stop it. Get some help.